صدر ٹرمپ نے صدر شی جن پنگ کو عظیم رہنما قرار دے دیا۔ وفود کی سطح پر چینی قیادت سے ملاقات کے دوران صدر ٹرمپ نے چین کے ساتھ تجارت کرنے کی خواہش کا اظہار کیا۔ صدر ٹرمپ نے مستقبل میں مل کر کام کرنے کی ضرورت پر بھی زور دیا۔
You and I have known each other now for a long time. In fact, the longest relationship of our two countries that any president and president has had. And that's, to me, an honor. We've had a fantastic relationship. We've gotten along. When there were difficulties, we worked it out. I would call you and you would call me. And whenever we had a problem, people don't know, whenever we had a problem, we worked that out very quickly. And we're going to have a fantastic future together. Such respect for China, the job you've done. You're a great leader. I say it to everybody, you're a great leader. Sometimes people don't like me saying it, but I say it anyway because it's true. I only say the truth. And I just want to say, on behalf of all of the great delegation that we have the greatest businessmen, the biggest, and I guess the best in the world. We have amazing people, and they're all with me. Every single one of them, we asked the top 30 in the world, every single one of them said yes. And I didn't want the second or the third in the company. I wanted only the top. And they're here today to pay respects to you and to China. And they look forward to trade and doing business. And it's going to be totally reciprocal on our behalf.